What's up, YouTube? I'm back yet again with another video. My name is Dev KE, and in this channel we talk about forex trading, we do analysis and all that. So yeah, in our last episode I did make a brief introduction to forex trading on the few things you need to know about forex trading, how it works, the people that are involved and all that. So if you've not gone through that, then maybe you can check on the link above or the link in the description so that you can catch up. And first, today our episode is about how to start forex trading in 2025. Or if you've been thinking of starting this, then I have a few steps for you that you can be able to take before you get into this. So yeah, as you all know, if you want to invest your money in something, then you really want to understand how that thing works, and you really want to put in as much energy as possible so that you understand the whole ecosystem around it. So yeah, the same applies to trading. If you really want to get into this, then you might want to have as much information as possible. And how do you do this? You you can learn through YouTube. There are so many YouTube channels like this or several others across YouTube that will take you step by step guide on how you can be able to learn. And then you can also learn from somebody who has gone through the path and is seeing some results consistently. Most people call them mentors. You can get somebody to learn from. And thirdly, you can learn from the internet, maybe from babypips.com or any other website that offers free forex trading course. So before you open your trading account, before you fund your trading account, before you do anything, make sure you have as much information as possible on forex trading and what it entails, so that when you get yourself into it, you already understand and you know what you're getting into. All right. So after going through all the learning phase, normally it depends with an individual. There are people that normally take a shorter time to learn than others. So depending on yourself, you know where you fall, but it normally takes between 3 to 6 months, and then you have the whole content. So you keep on practicing until you're perfect. So once you have the right knowledge, the next step is okay. Before we go to the next step, I have to explain a point. In trading, for you to access the markets, you have to be connected to them by a middleman. So the middleman, in this case, we call it a forex broker. So the broker is the one that links you to the forex market. So the next step after learning is opening a trading account with your broker. So there are several forex brokers in Kenya right now and the world. We have several of them. I cannot mention all of them, but I have a few that I have used, and yeah, they work perfectly for me. We have HFM, which is number one that I normally use for my daily trading, and then also we have XNES. So you can use between the two or any other broker that aligns with your trading criteria or suitability. So after learning, you open a trading account with any forex broker or a brokerage company, and then there are so many things that you need to consider when choosing the correct broker that you want to trade in. First of all, you may want to check on the ease of deposits and withdrawals. You might want to check on their spread. We will get into it later in the video. And then maybe their order execution. Do they execute their orders fast or late? And then manipulation during high impact news in the forex market. So those are just a few things that you might need to consider when you are opening your brokerage account. So yeah, since I said I normally use HFM and XNET for my trading. I use XNET for trading the cryptocurrencies like BTC USD, Ethereum USD. But for the daily trading, like for the indices, gold, and the currency pairs, I use HFM. So there's a link in the description whereby you can open your trading account with either of the two. So yeah, once you have your trading account with the broker, it's advisable that you start with a demo account. So a demo account is a paper trading account that your broker gives you for practice as you learn more about trading and all that. So you might want to start with a demo account before you go live with your real money. So yeah, it's basically 3 points that you need to know before you get started. You need to learn, get as much information as possible, and then choose a reputable broker, the one that is regulated by Capital Markets Authority in Kenya or any other legislation in any jurisdiction. And then finally, you may want to start with a paper trading or demo trading before you finally actualize your dream of becoming a trader and starting to trade live money. So yeah, that is it for this second step. You may need to open an account, and then finally, I will take you through step-by-step guide on how to how to sign up with the brokerage company, how to create a free demo account, and how to fund your trading account. So those ones will come in the subsequent videos. So cheers, and thank you so much for watching this video. Please share it with your friends, family, and click the video in the link in the description to create your trading account. So yeah, cheers, and see you guys in the next video.